In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude quick table calculation values when no data is provided in Tableau. This is a handy skill to know if you want to make sure your data visualizations are always clean and accurate, even when there might be missing data. So let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by opening the Tableau public app. Once you have your Tableau application open, navigate to the worksheet where you're aiming to exclude those empty calculations. This setup is crucial because we want to ensure that we're working with the right data set from the get-go. Now, to align your data correctly, you want to start by dragging the date field to the row shelf. Once you have it there, change its display to day and make sure it's set to discrete. This is important to properly parse out daily data as it helps in setting up the framework for accurate calculation analysis. Next, drag the measure names field to the column shelf. This step will allow you to expand the scope of your data view, organizing different metrics side by side. And to visualize those metrics effectively, drag the values field onto the text mark. This will bind your data values with the text, ensuring visible clarity. After you have the layout prepared, click on the drop-down menu for the field you've just set up and navigate to the Quick Table Calculation option. Here, select % difference from the list. This choice sets up the parameters for what we'll be adjusting and refining in order to exclude the unwanted calculations. To refine these calculations further, head to the Analysis tab and create a new calculated field. You'll want to give it a name that reflects its purpose clearly. Once you have a fitting title, type in the necessary query and click OK to save it. Having a calculated field is pivotal because it creates a foundation on how your data will be filtered and processed. Now, you'll need to remove the initial values field and replace it with measure values. This replacement is key to organizing your data expressions correctly. Continue by removing any fields that are unnecessary, except for your newly created calculated field and the essential values column. Simplifying your workspace in this manner focuses the calculations only on what you need. Once again, you right-click on the values field and choose Quick Table Calculation. Select % difference as before. Be sure to drag these values into the measure values field. This will help to nullify any data points with no underlying figure. Lastly, fine-tune your setup by clicking on the % difference amount and choosing Edit Table Calculation. Set the calculation direction to Table Down. For a polished finish, click on the % difference amount again, access the format options, switch the numbers to percentage, and set the decimal places to 0. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully ensured that your Tableau visualizations will gracefully handle any absence of data without skewing your quick table calculations. Thank you for watching, and see you next time for more Tableau tips.